Welcome back to my channel, fam. So I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade chocolate. Don't go anywhere. Please keep on watching so that you get all the details. So guys, we're going to start with powdered sugar. 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to be adding 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. I'll be adding some powder milk as well, and I'm going to be sieving all together to avoid lumps. This is a very good recipe just in case you have some cocoa powder sitting in your pantry and you don't know what to do with it. You might have done some chocolate cake, you might have done a lot of chocolate desserts, and you're wondering what next to do. So I had this and it had lumps, so that is why I'm just trying to use my whisk to sieve everything in that to remove the lumps. I'm also going in with my spatula so that I can completely get rid of all the lumps, and this is what I have. You can see it is smooth at this point. So I'm just like mixing it all together so that everything is homogeneous, and then I'm going with my coconut oil, which is about a third cup. So you just want to whisk everything together, your dry ingredients with your coconut oil, so that everything becomes fused together and there's no separation whatsoever. I'm going to make sure that everything is good, and when I have achieved my aim, I'm going to be pouring it into this bigger cup here for ease of transfer into my chocolate molds. So I have like different chocolate molds. You're going to be seeing this by the end of the video. So whatever chocolate mold you can grab, you can get your hands on, is absolutely fine. So I don't want to bore you with all the details. Of course, we know that we have to transfer our chocolate into the chocolate mold. Just be careful when you're doing this, because of course it's going to spill out, and this is the spill I'm cleaning right now. I want to make it as neat and tidy as possible before I transfer it into the refrigerator. So any spill out you have, just like grab like some kitchen tissue and gradually like gently remove that. And I'm just tapping it so that everything settles into my mold. And I'm going back with my into my second chocolate mold. So for this one, I'm going to be filling it halfway just to have some kind of variety. I also like the fact that I have like different styles for my chocolate molds. Of course, this is what the kids would love. I'm adding peanuts at this point. This is completely optional. If you have any other kind of nuts, anything you want to add, you can add it. If you want to add gummy bears, if you want to add some hazelnuts, whatever toppings you like is entirely up to you. And if you don't want to add anything, is also up to you. You can decide to leave this out as well. So by the time I'm done, I'm going to be filling more chocolates just to cover it all up and make sure that I have my chocolate just the way I want it to be. So nothing more to do here than just to fill up my chocolate and make sure that it's well filled and just the way I like it. Like I did in the previous one, I'm going to be cleaning up all the spill out as well. You want to make it as nice as possible so that by the time, sometimes you might leave it till when it is dried, it might be easier, but for me I prefer doing this right now before transferring it into the refrigerator. And I'm just going into another kind of mold. It's the same process, just like different kinds of molds to give us different shapes of chocolate by the time we are done. And it's the same thing, guys, nothing extra, nothing different. Refrigerate it for 2 hours at least so that you get your perfect chocolate by the time you are done. And bam! Can you see this? This is so lovely. The kids love this. This is like something you can also do together just in case you want to give them a task. My son helped me to actually fill up some of the molds and he was so happy to do it. He just kept on asking me like, Mommy, when are the chocolates going to be ready from the refrigerator? So you can do your own chocolates at home. You can do it. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's good for the holidays. It's good for Easter. Something to keep the kids busy. And please, they'll be proud of themselves. Like, oh, I make chocolate. They will tell their friends they make chocolate. And our chocolate is ready. That is all you have from me, guys. So you can do this in your home, do this in the comfort of your homemade chocolate. There's nothing better than this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. Kindly visit my channel for more videos. Don't forget to share and please subscribe. And I would love to hear from you as well. Drop your comments and I'll see you in subsequent ones. Stay beautiful, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.